Hi everyone, this is George doing a review video of the Hisense 4K LED OLED display TV. This is the TV I got here as well. Now it's it's brand new and it's got lots of apps on it. It's got App Store, Wi-Fi, 4K things, music. It's got like it's good speakers on it as well. So yeah, it's a 5 series TV, and it came with its very clever remote control as well. Comes with its remote control as well. Ready for the World Cup as well. Yep. Okay, so here we go then. So here's the TV. So I'm gonna show you now. So here you go. This is the new TV, and I might show another video. I might show you how it works. So we'll get it powered up and we'll show you how it works. Okay. And it came with all the instructions. We've got the this book. We've got that book as well, and it comes with all the batteries in the remote control, the power pack brick, and some screws for mounting the brackets, these things on. And also going to take off this packet. This off, you know. If we can get this off. There you go, so let's get it off, right? Okay, hang on. Oh, no. Why that?
Pause it. Pause it.
I can't pause it, that's right. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Here we go, we got it now. Oh no. Oh well, never mind. It won't come off. Right. So this is my Hisense TV. I'll show you in the next video. Okay, here we go. Part 2.